So the stair lift we have right here is the SL300 by Harmar. 300 stands for weight capacity per person of 300 pounds. It's a very small profile machine. It fits pretty much anywhere within a certain range of width on a staircase. It comes equipped with many safety features, such as these stop plates. In case there's any sort of like jam on the stairwell, it'll stop you. It's got this quick onboard control that you just press and hold for your ride. That's gonna bring you up. You're gonna just continue to hold this button until your ride's through, and it's gonna stop on its own. Once you're up at the top, you've got a wayside toggle switch here that you just swivel to your landing, unbuckle, and off you are, and you are here at the top of your stairs. Now you can re-engage this toggle switch here, the swivel, and you can fold everything up very, very neatly to minimize the space that you need in a stairwell that could only be about 34 inches wide potentially. Very efficient machine for the user, very efficient machine for the installer. It assembles very quickly, and this machine is also available in different weight capacities as the user needs. If you needed to upgrade that size slightly, you could go to the 350. They make this version of a chair in a model called the SL300, which is for a 600-pound weight capacity.